I see you, Mama. I see you. Where'd you go? What'd you find, Izzy B? She's like, I don't know. I got some bark stuck in my mouth. Thought I'd use it as a jumping toy. Is that what you did, Izzy? Huh? Yeah? What's going on there, Izzy? Huh? What did you see? It's like, Mama, I got the bark. I got the bark. You're such a silly girl. Always chewing on things. Just like a baby, putting everything in your mouth. Come on. Where'd you go? There you are. Let's go. Let's go. Grandma's flowers were pretty much all bloomed when I got here, and it's been, we had a storm yesterday, so a lot of them are pretty well done for. This one's a pretty, kind of a pinkish color. They get so big and they just start falling over. Some of them go right into the neighbor's yard. That one, I bet you, is pretty. Fully bloomed. That one's beautiful. Ooh. All the red ones are pretty well shot. Daylilies are going to start to bloom here in about another few weeks, maybe a month. Right, Izzy? Yeah. Hey, you're wrapping around my legs. You're wrapping around my legs. Yeah. Mama's coming back. Waiting for Mama to come out of the tree and go into the birdhouse.